In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add correlational coefficient indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or ticker you like. The process will be exactly the same. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the indicators button. It's usually near the time frames and other chart tools. Go ahead and click on indicators. This is where all the built-in tools, technicals, and community scripts live. When the indicators window opens, you'll see several tabs and categories. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on the technical indicators section, since that's where you'll find the correlation tools. Click on the technical tab. If you have a lot of items in your favorites or recently used indicators, this step helps narrow everything down, so you're only seeing the core technical tools. Next, inside that same indicators window, look for the search bar. It's typically at the top of the panel. Click into the search field so you can type. This is the fastest way to find exactly what you need without scrolling through long lists of indicators. Now type in correlational coefficient. As you start typing, TradingView will filter the results automatically. You should see an indicator with that name appear in the list. Once you see correlational coefficient in the search results, simply click on it. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart, usually in a separate pane beneath your price chart. From here, you can customize the settings, such as the length or the symbol you want to compare against, depending on how you like to analyze correlations between assets. If you're not currently using TradingView Pro and you want access to more advanced features and tools, including smoother use of multiple indicators, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up. That link will take you straight to the official TradingView site, where you can choose the plan that fits your trading style. Once you're set up with Pro, you can follow these exact same steps to quickly add the correlational coefficient indicator to any chart you're analyzing. And that's all there is to it. Open your chart, click indicators, go to technical, use the search bar, type in correlational coefficient, and add it to your chart.